Good evening, this is Mrs. Rubright with Advanced Geometry. Tonight's homework review is on 10.3. Number 24 on page 658 was requested. Alright, so number 24 is a challenge problem. It says encircle P below the lengths of the parallel chords A and B, of all three chords, are 20, 16, and 12. Find the measure of arc AB. Okay, so we are looking for this measure right here. And we know that this chord is 20, so half of 20 is 10. And we know that this chord is 16 and this chord is 12. So I'm just going to go and drop these perpendicularly. So if this is 16, then that's 8 and 8. And if this is 12, then it's 6 and 6. Alright, so that's what I know so far. So I am going to draw a triangle. So if this is the radius of 10, then this radius is also 10, because all the radii are going to be 10. 5 times 2 is 10, 4 times 2 is 8, 3 times 2 is 6. This is a multiple of a 3, 4, 5 triangle. If I wanted to know the degrees right here, I can use opposite and hypotenuse. That would be sine of, we'll call this theta, equals opposite over hypotenuse. So the inverse sine of 8 over 10 is going to give me approximately 53.13 degrees, which means that this whole portion right here is 53.13 degrees. Okay? And then if I make another triangle, and I'm looking at this triangle right here, your radius is still 10, this base is 6, 3 times 2, 5 times 2, 4 times 2 is 8, we have 6 here, so this is 2 more, and we're going to use law of sines again. So if I'm calling this maybe beta, I would have sine of beta equals opposite over hypotenuse. So the inverse sine of 6 over 10 is going to be approximately 36.87 degrees. So from here to here is 36.87 degrees. So if the whole portion here is 53.13 and this part right here is 36.87, if I subtract those, then I'm left with approximately 16.26 degrees. So right here is 16.26 degrees. So the measure of arc AB is going to be approximately 16.26 degrees. And that is our challenge problem for the evening. I hope you enjoyed this quick homework review. Please like and subscribe and have a fantastic evening.